Get out of the frame. This is my show. Welcome back to the channel, guys. We have today another Pro VM. This is a challenge where I get handicapped by something ridiculous. Either I pick it up and the amateur agrees to it, or they come to me with some kind of challenge and I agree to it. Today we have Kyle. He's been our cameraman on tour in the season of 2023. Claps in the comment section below. Thank you very much for doing your duty. At times not doing the greatest job, but other times doing a great job. Today I'm gonna bowl off the wrong, or wait, no. Today I'm gonna be bowling one step. He's taking my steps away. All of them, except for one. I'll be standing all the way there at the line and doing my thing. If he wins, he can stay on the team. If he loses, he has to leave forever.
Forever?
I will be throwing the Electrify, BSY, also known as Bowling So Yummy. Here we go, one step only. So the thing about not taking any steps, it's hard to get ball speed. And this lane's on fire.
Oh.
Count, get lucky.
Oh.
Get out of my face. Look, that's bad sportsmanship. It's clapping on a miss. You guys messing up my towels and stuff too. Trying to play mind games. Oh, we start on the night road. You see, this guy grew up as the third Tang brother. He's like the long lost, much darker pigmented Tang brother. All right. Maybe I just gotta roll it more. Oh, that's terrible! Hook! Yes! Yes!
Sportsmanship.
Hey, you started it. You see that? No messenger. You know what that means? He's weak! Can you pick it up, though?
Can I pick it up, though?
Pick it up. When's the last time you shot a spare? You wouldn't want to bite the hand that feeds you. I drilled this guy's bowling balls. I literally finished drilling them 3 hours ago. Oh, it wasn't even close! Almost maximum. You want to play games? You want to play games? We can play games. All right, I just gotta move my eyes in. I almost forgot I was only taking one step. That was a wrap 10, no messenger warranted. Oh!
Oh! Oh! I guess it's a Tang thing.
False sense of security. You ain't got that dog. You ain't got that dog.
It's a chance. It's a chance. It's a chance. It's a chance.
Oh, ball change. Can you get the first spare of the match? You gonna hook this one?
Out of safety, probably, yeah.
You won't hook it. You won't throw it straight, I mean.
You're in my head.
You won't throw it straight. How sweet is this victory gonna be? You beat a guy that's at 28%.
Oh, he's gonna turn up the heat now.
I got that dog. I got that dog. Inside out. Ah, I got there. Why'd you go back? You don't believe in Belmo? You don't believe? You watched him all season, you seen what he can do.
Oh.
Play like a rug hook. No. I thought it was gonna hook. Ah. Oh, again?
Not again!
I just won't leave another one. That just means my swing's not straight.
Oh no!
There's just no way. Remember that, guys. Remember that. Remember when I threw it to the right just to touch. All right, what do we need? We need more hit, but I can't do that right now. Oh no.
Oh.
I don't know what my ball's gonna do.
I'm switching.
He's switching.
I believe in Belmo. Oh yeah, baby, come on.
You said, oh yeah, baby.
Oh yeah, baby.
See, this is what happens when the lanes are broken down perfectly. He couldn't hit the head pin when we started bowling today, and now he can't miss.
This is very true. This is very true.
I mean, honestly, if I carry those two 10 pins, it's pretty competitive.
Also, if he picked up two 10 pins.
Oh, gosh.
Wow.
me try changing balls. If I get the spare, we're still in this.
Nope.
Oh! Let's do the math here. Before not taking any steps, I'm on like 30%. And now he took away 4 of my steps, it's 80%. So what's 20% of 30%? Math is really hard right now. I'm balling at 6%. 6! Am I making excuses? Sure, I'm broken. Let me have this. Remember who drilled those balls? Look at this guy. No respect. Uses my chamois and just throws them on the ground however he wants.
I'm wearing Darren's shoes.
I can't beat my own equipment, right? You can beat me with my own bowling balls. He's wearing my bowling shoes.
You said the ball changed.
I did, and look how much better it looks.
You're right.
Wow. My body might be broken, but my brain isn't.
I'll go back to the night road and see what happens.
Should go back to the night road and move 7 left. Does he have that kind of versatility? Oh, that was pretty close. Pick up your spares, kids. They're worth a lot of points. Mathematically, I'm not out of this. Maybe I just need to not look at every shot. All the ones I don't like look perfect. What is wrong with me? View open. We can tie. Did you move back to the right?
Yeah.
So scared. Look at this guy. Not up for the challenge. You got that dog.
All right.
No dog. No dog.
All right,
no dog.
night road 7.
No dog. No dog. No dog. A little yappy dog, like a chihuahua. Oh my God, he's got the bad bowler sim. You can't miss an arrow left and be like, I got that dog. I got that dog.
Oh!
Right foot slipped. You still gotta knock pins down.
I do still have to knock.
I'll be watching that foul line.
Psych!
Let's see if I can get one. That just goes to show, you should hook out your spares.
Yeah, right. All the spares I threw straight at, I missed.
Because you suck. Look at this guy, I got that dog, missing everywhere on the planet and striking, can't pick up a spare.
Yeah.
I got that dog! Congratulations on beating a cripple. Well, it looks like he gets to stay on the team. You don't need to see the final score because he beat me in the 8th frame.